Imagine looking up at the moon, calm, familiar, eternal. Now picture a sudden flash and a brand new crater carved into its face. It sounds like science fiction, but scientists warn it could happen. A building-sized asteroid named 2024 YR4 is currently being tracked by NASA and ESA. It is about 60 meters across, the size of a 15-story building. And astronomers say it has a small but real chance of smashing into the moon on December 22, 2032. If that happens, the impact would unleash energy equal to millions of tons of TNT, carving a crater almost a kilometer wide. For a brief moment, the flash could even outshine the full moon as seen from Earth. On Earth, we wouldn't face direct danger. Most of the debris would stay on the moon, but a fraction would escape into space, and some of it could rain down toward us as a spectacular meteor shower. Imagine the night sky filled with hundreds of shooting stars every minute. Beautiful, yes, but dangerous for satellites. Low Earth orbit could suddenly be flooded with tiny high-speed particles. Communications, GPS, weather satellites, even the International Space Station could all be at risk. And what about the moon itself? By the 2030s, NASA's Artemis program and international missions aim to establish a presence there. A kilometer-wide crater could threaten bases, instruments, and orbiting spacecraft. The impact would be an incredible scientific event, but also a costly and risky one for our plans in space. So what can we do? Normally, the strategy is deflection, nudging an asteroid off course. NASA's DART mission proved this is possible. But with 2024 YR4, scientists warn that deflection may not work. There isn't enough time, and the asteroid's mass and structure are still uncertain. That leaves a more radical option: destruction. Some studies suggest that breaking the asteroid apart, either with a massive kinetic impactor or even a nuclear detonation, might be the safest solution. It sounds extreme, but the logic is simple. One giant rock is far more dangerous than many small ones. Timing is everything. By 2028, new observations will reveal whether 2024 YR4 is truly on a collision course. If it is, space agencies will have only a few years to prepare and launch a mission. The stakes are high. For the first time in history, humanity may have to decide whether to intervene not just to protect Earth, but to protect the moon. And that leads to the big question. What does it mean to be guardians of our cosmic neighborhood? We're tiny on the scale of the universe, yet here we are, capable of shaping the outcome of celestial events. Whether 2024 YR4 hits the moon or not, the lesson is clear. Planetary defense is no longer science fiction. It's real, it's necessary, and it reminds us of our responsibility, not just to Earth but to the skies we all share.